Hey everybody, David with Native DSD. We're here at Munich High End 2024, and I'm standing with Jeff of the Macintosh Group. Jeff?
Yes, very nice to meet you. Thanks for coming by.
Of course, yeah, thanks for joining us. You have got something you want to show us here. What do we have?
We've got Pro-Ject audio systems, predominantly known for analog electronics, turntables, phono stages, and such. But about 5 years ago, we took a really big play to get into digital electronics. So very high performance digital to analog converters, stereo amplifiers with onboard DACs, the whole thing. So this is one of our featured products. This is called the Prebox S2 Digital. This is actually an edition that we just came out with last year that has the latest technology from ESS. So their latest headphone amplifier, Saber DAC chipset, actually dual DACs. So this allows us to do all kinds of fun stuff. So PCM from 32 up to 32384, up to DSD 512. So we can do very high resolution DSD streaming. Fantastic sound. So the idea with this, it's a full function stereo digital preamp. So if you wish, you can use it just in a desktop application, park it right under your monitor, plug in your favorite headphones into the front panel, it mutes the line outputs, disconnect, and now the line outputs are variable out that you could connect to a powered speaker or another amplifier. So it's a full function stereo amp. Also for legacy digital sources, coaxial and fiber optic connections are available. So high res over USB, 24192 for coax or Toslink.
Love it. I love the size. This is basically portable. Yeah, it's amazing.
And really, really efficient. So you actually can run this, it's USB bus powered. So if you've got a proper 2 amp USB connection on your laptop, you can bring this with you, drop it in the hotel, and have a high-res experience wherever you go.
Awesome.
So
amazing.
This, €399.
399.
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's great.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Anything else you want to show us here?
Absolutely. That's Pro-Ject. So there's several different lines. So the S series, sort of our most compact, most affordable, but still very, very high technology. RS is our reference series components. And that's where it starts to get really fun. So RS, we can spend a little bit more money. So it's in this case, compact chassis. It's all about optimization. A lot of a lot of operational amplifiers, smaller circuit parts used. We get up to RS. It's full differential balanced. So in this case, it is balanced from the DAC chipset all the way out to the analog outs. And we give you an option. We can either run solid state or true differential balance vacuum tube output. Very, very, very cool. So you can really tune the sound signature to get the performance that you're looking for. So in addition to traditional legacy outputs like we saw in the smaller, coax and Toslink 24192, we add AES EBU, so if you have a higher end transport that has that connection, mostly for PCM, high res over USB, but also add an I2S connection for use with the Pro-Ject, the matching transport. So in this line, we have a matching transport. So outputs, either balanced or unbalanced, analog out, connect to whatever you like. So we make this both in a component DAC version, which is what we're showing here, the DAC Box RS2, or as a full function preamp. This one is probably my favorite. Very, very high quality, 4-gang analog potentiometer, high performance headphone amplifier, and these are now variable outputs. So plus we pick up a set of analog inputs, either balanced or unbalanced. So this is the center of a full function hi-fi, even as Bluetooth. So it's really just put this, connect to the power amplifier or powered loudspeaker of your choice, you're ready to go.
And it has the same capability to kind of play with the tubes as well.
Yes, if you're into that, you can always, absolutely, you can tube roll. So 60 J8s are included. We use a really good Eastern European tube, but certainly there's a whole bunch of them out there. So if you've got a bunch of new old stock sitting around, roll to your delight.
Wow, thanks so much for giving us the time. Appreciate it.
Thanks for coming by.
Yeah.
Cheers.